Hello my fancy family, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a Amazon haul. Who doesn't love a bunch of Amazon products? I mean, come on, we all live to shop on Amazon. I'm gonna have to make this kind of quick because my camera is at 23% and I'm trying to get this done. So let's go ahead and start this video. First things first, and I will link everything down below because I don't remember how much every product was. I'm going to start off with these clips right here. I'm sure if you are a TikTok user or, you know, a lot of these products actually, let me just admit it right here. A lot of these products I saw on TikTok. So just, you know, if you have TikTok, you probably have already seen these. I got these hair clips right here. It came in a pack of 2 and it did have pink ones along with these, but I just stuck these ones back on here because these are the ones I could find. They're basically to put into your hair to hold your hair back when you're doing, like, let's say your makeup or things like that, so it doesn't leave a dent in your hair. These are great. I have been using them every morning and I love them. They're so easy. It was a pack of 2, like I said, and I know these were under $10, but they come in so handy because I used to wear clips just to pull my hair back and it would be annoying because it would leave a dent in the, you know, hair after you just did it. So these are nice because it doesn't do that. Again, the padding in the front is for, you know, to basically just protect your hair to make sure that it doesn't leave a crease or a dent in, which is pretty nice. So on to the next product. This was probably one of the ones I was really excited about. I have them stored in here, but they are reusable makeup wipes, and I did show this really briefly in another video and I kind of explained what it was, but I'll show you. It comes with a bag, like a mesh bag like this, that you can actually put them in, and I have it in this container right here, which this container I just got today at Big Lots, and I just store them in here in my bathroom. I'll show you a close-up of how big they actually are. They're way bigger than just a regular cotton round. And they are, I saw on the video that you can use them front and back. The back is more like a terry cloth and the front is super soft. And you can just, what I plan on doing, because I just got these, using my micellar water and putting them on here and taking off my makeup, and then of course washing after. They came with about, I think, 16 of the pads, which is pretty decent. And since they're reusable, they're going to save you money and they're eco-friendly because you're not, you know, disposing so much trash every day. But yeah, you just put them in here, and then once the bag's full, you just throw them in your wash and you can just rewash them. Next item is these right here. I have yet to use them, but I heard such good things about shaving, basically shaving your stash. I have a lot of peach fuzz on my face, and I heard these were really good for, you know, trimming the hair on around your eyebrows. And of course, you know, we all got a little stash going on right here. And so I basically got them for that. And it says that you should use them on your eyebrows, but I have heard so many girls rave about this pack in particular. It did come with a pack of 2, so you get 6 total, and I heard these were under $6. So if you think a pack of 2 is actually a really good deal. So yeah, I just wanted to share those with you guys as well. Next thing, okay, you're gonna be like, what in the hell are these right here? So this is a tongue scraper, and obviously it's still in the package, so I haven't used it yet, but it came with 2, and I think that it was literally like $3, and let me take it out so I can show you guys. So I saw someone using this and I was like, okay, that's kind of gross, but I feel like it could really get in and clean your tongue. Like, obviously I brush my teeth and I floss and all that stuff, but sometimes I just feel like with a toothbrush it just doesn't get it in good enough. So you basically take this and put it on your tongue and you pull it forward and it scrapes all the nasty shit off your tongue. And when I saw the video, it made me want to gag, but I really wanted to, I was like intrigued after that, so I really wanted to try it out. So I just went on Amazon to see how much they were, and it was 2 for $2. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it. It's super flexible, it's stainless steel, so it's not gonna rust or anything like that. And I don't know, we'll see. I don't have like really bad gag reflexes, so I feel like I'll be fine, but it's kind of interesting. I don't know, we'll see. And then moving on to hair accessories. Okay, so I wasn't really on this trend of clips, but I've seen a few girls wearing it. I'm like, you know what? My hair's getting longer and I feel like I could try something different. So I went on and I looked to see if they had like a pack of clips to just try, which they did. Usually this kind of stuff I'll find at Walmart, but I haven't really been going to Walmart because of all the stuff that's going on. So I've just been ordering online. So this is the pack of clips. It's a different variety pack and I'll show you up close. You do get quite a few, and I want to say these were about $10 as well, and they're just clips. So I usually will just stick them over onto the side right here like this, and I wore these pearl ones recently and I just put it with the gold ones right here. They're super cute to dress up a look. I mean, it's fun, and I don't know, I thought it was a good little starter pack to have because they're not all the same. So if you're into hair clips and things like that, I would definitely check out Amazon because they have quite a few on there with different varieties to choose from. And obviously, because you know hair accessories are big right now, so headbands totally made a comeback, and I really wanted a leopard print one. So it's one like this with the knot on top, and it's super cute on. I'll show you guys right here. How cute is that? And when I wore it the first time to work, I got so many compliments on it, and I think this was about $10. I thought that the print was the best. Like, it's, who doesn't love leopard, you know? I think it's so cute. So those were the random little hair accessories I got, along with this mat right here on my desk right back behind me. I used that to get ready. So I have my curling irons set on top of it, and I needed something to have that my curling irons could sit on top of and not have to worry about them sliding around when they're hot or, you know, burn through something. Also, when I'm done using them and I travel, I need to pack them in my suitcase because they're hot. Sometimes I don't want to hurry up and put them in right away. So this is another thing. This is like a mat to keep everything from burning. So I could just wrap it up in the curling iron and it would keep from burning the stuff in my bag, or I lay it on my desk flat right there behind me, and it's so good. I love, because I'm always worried that when I put my curling iron down, like it kind of moves around and I don't want it to burn like my acrylic stuff right here. So this really is like a rubber grip, and it doesn't let the curling irons, you know, fly all over your desk and stuff, and it just keeps things from not basically catching on fire. So this was a really good find. I really like it, and there was quite a few online, and it's so hard because on Amazon there's so many like good and bad reviews. So you start reading a lot and people are like, oh my god, I love this product, I love this product, and then you start seeing a bunch that are like, don't buy this. But so you would think this would be like something simple, but I wanted it big enough that my curling iron and my straightener could both sit on top of it at the same time, so that's why I got this one. But I would say the only negative thing, and I did read this on reviews, is it is black, and because it's like that like rubber, everything sticks to it, so it's actually really dirty. I have to keep wiping it with a wipe, and it's pretty dusty on the back. But other than that, I mean, it doesn't really bother me. It's, you know, it just sits on top of my desk anyways right now. So this is a really good find. I would highly suggest you guys, if you're looking for something like that, to purchase this one on Amazon because it is amazing. All right, and so I have two more items. And of course, with everything going on, I don't necessarily like to take my purse and everything into the stores with me. So I did see this online where it was a bracelet and it had a keychain attached to it, along with a little pocketbook that you could put your ID and stuff like, and your debit cards in, and actually your money and stuff too. So I thought this would be such a good idea, instead of having to take my purse with me every time if I'm just running in really quick, to get something like this. I like it. The only thing I would say negative about it is this bracelet part right here is kind of big. So when I have just no sleeves or anything, it kind of falls around quite a bit. But when I do have like sleeves on like this, it's not a problem. But it just makes it so convenient to not have to take your purse and everything in with you, and, you know, not have to touch a bunch of stuff either. So my ID and my debit card are in here right now. and it's just perfect. You could also stick some, you know, I would say like a few bills in here too, and it wouldn't be like super thick. But yeah, I like it and it's cute. They had other colors to choose from also, but I'm so basic. I just wanted to get black because I feel like black would match with everything. But they did have a super cute leopard print one too that I thought would be really cute to get in the future. But for right now, I think this will do. It has a little green tab thing with it too, like a little design that it came with as well. But I just thought it was so nifty to have on your keys, and it also makes it easier to find in your purse too, because Lord knows I have a ton of stuff in my purse and I can never find my goddamn keys. So I'm like, let me just get this so I can just freaking grab them and go. So yeah, I would suggest you guys getting one of these as well. And then last but not least, for now, I did get this grocery pad to put onto our fridge. It has magnets on the back. It has a meal plan on one side. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it because it's white, but it has a meal plan on one side and a grocery list on the other. And we already have like some stuff written on here for groceries, but they have little boxes that you can check off. And then you can put your meal Monday through, you know, Sunday has where you can write your meals and for what you'll have for the week, which I love because let's face it, we all hate getting that text that's asking, what are we having for dinner tonight? I'm just like, shoot me now. I hate hearing that. So I just figured I would get this to plan out the week so there's no surprises on what we're going to have for dinner every night. And another thing I really liked about it is you can pull the grocery list off apart from it because it has the little serrated cuts in there and it just rips right off, and you can still keep this side on here. So even if you don't want to waste a full page and have to rip the whole thing off, you can just take this part off of it and take your list with you and keep this on here. And then when you're ready, you can pull another sheet off and separate those two right here. So I thought that was pretty neat. Just, you know, things to try to keep you organized and stuff like that. And it goes well on the fridge, and it's not to where, you know, some stuff that's too heavy, it kind of slides down your fridge. This is not like that at all. I think because it's got the two on here, it's totally secure on the fridge. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. So this was definitely, I know for sure, $7 because I was still iffy about spending $7 on it. But it has quite a bit of paper and stuff, so I don't feel like it was a cheap, you know, like not worth getting. So, but yeah, guys. I just wanted to share my random little haul with you and things that I have purchased off Amazon in the last couple weeks. Love shopping online, especially through them because of course we're Prime members, so you get it really fast. There are a few. Thank you guys so much for coming back and watching, and I hope that you saw something in all of these products that you would eventually want to buy yourself. I'm sorry for sharing them with you because now you're probably going to jump online and go get them. So, and you're welcome. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed today's video, and make sure you share and comment down below. I'd like to hear some feedback from you on other favorites that you guys enjoy from Amazon. That way, you know, I can go on there and see if there's other things that I need. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye!